Girls, we are home. Girlies, we are home. We're back where it all started. I am in LA for the next couple of days, and my goal is to hit at least one thrift store every single day that I'm here. We're starting off this thrifting palooza at Savers. I can't even begin to tell you how much I've missed Savers. This is the trip that I thrifted for. I did a whole thrift with me for the outfits. I'm wearing one of the outfits today. I also am gonna post just an outfits video so you can see how I styled all the pieces for this trip. We have 4 minutes until they open. Patiently wait here and dive in and see what kind of goodies we can find. Gonna go ahead and get in line. Where do I even begin? Men's section? Men's section. I have my ugly short sleeve polo, but I want to find a long sleeve one. So starting off in the men's section. So far I'm only seeing short sleeves. Maybe I'll have better luck looking through the long sleeve shirts. Button ups, which I do love, but I'm not seeing any long sleeve polos. Oh, this looks interesting. I can't believe how hard it's been to find the long sleeve version of these polos. The elusive long sleeve polo. All right, let's go through jackets. I feel like this is going to be the closest thing that I find, but I love, it's definitely giving that rugby look. There is some moderate discoloration and staining in the middle, but I'm not intimidated. I feel like I can, it's minor, I can get that out. Only $8.49. The holidays can be stressful enough without worrying what's inside your cleaning products. Blueland makes it easy to clean your home, protect your family, and cut down on plastic waste all at once. We've all heard that microplastics are showing up everywhere, even in our homes. So I've been trying to make small, realistic swaps that actually make a difference. That is why I switched to Blueland for all of my cleaning products, especially during the holiday season when I'm constantly cooking, cleaning, and hosting. Their refill system replaces single-use plastic bottles with beautiful reusable ones that you just fill with water and drop in a tablet. Their tablets are made with thoughtfully selected, naturally derived ingredients and are designed to be trusted around kids and pets. I absolutely love the holiday hand soap kit. I love it for myself, but I also think it makes a great gift. It comes with 10 festive scent tablets, which is enough for an entire year of refills. It's one of those gifts that are practical but still feels special and helps cut down on single-use plastic during the most wasteful season of the year. I've also been loving their laundry detergent tablets. They are easy to use and leave my clothes feeling fresh and clean. And right now, Blueland is offering 15% off your first kit if you shop through my link down below. During the holidays, I love creating a home that feels warm and welcoming, and Blueland helps me do that while making more mindful choices for my family and the planet.
Oh my gosh, all of these 550s, that is my favorite cut of the Levi. But none of these are my size. It's okay, we're not gonna cry. Oh, what's this? Okay. 501s. We're not discouraged. We're not discouraged. We're gonna keep looking. Okay, we're getting closer. These are definitely closer to the size. I'm not like loving the wash though. It's not my favorite wash, but I don't know. I also don't have any in this wash. I think surprisingly enough, I'm actually looking for like some really dark washed denim over like a baggier fit, but a dark wash. What are all of these? Smoke and ash. I don't know. I don't like the feeling of them. They don't smell like denim. You know, like denim has a good smell, and then cheap denim has a different kind of smell. Like this, honestly, like this kind of wash, but I would want them to be a looser fit. I think these would be too small. But by the brand Hudson, these look like nice jeans. Made in LA. And Hudson's the name of my baby boy. Hudson. Okay, let's get into the dresses. This matching set. I don't know. I can't get a good setup to see what I look like in this thing. Is it like Victorian princess, or are we like Sophia Richie matching set? Rich. I don't know. Okay, I just found this piece and I'm like, is this a cute like thrift flip moment? Like if I made it into a two-piece set, or is this just like an old school maid's outfit? Like a tuxedo. I'm working the dinner. I'm working the White House dinner in the 1900s. I do really want something polka dots. I feel like polka dots are trending this fall. This might not be it. I think I'm in the dress section. This looks more like a shirt. I don't know if I could style it up cute, like a shirt. Maybe adding a belt. I don't know. But I'm definitely have my eye out for some polka dots. Welcome to one of the goldmine sections, which is the intimate apparel women's lingerie section. You want to find some of the fun tops, you want to find some of the best little lacy dresses. Okay, you're going to check out this section. I have found some of my favorite vintage nightgowns and dresses and tops from this very section right here.
I know sooner or later it will come, the day that I know I'm in love. Will it feel warm and dry like a kiss in July? Will it chill down my bones? Will it cool like the snow? And I look at my window to see what the universe has in store for me. People passing by in the street will be smiling at me, 'cause they already know.
Okay, the cutest matching pajama set. I'm very heavy in my leopard print phase right now. Oh, 9 West sleepwear. Okay. What size are we? And how much do we cost? $7.49. Oh, there's a cute little stripe down the side. Okay. Oh. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. $4.79.
So every night I stare at the moon just to check if she's still.
I do love this color for fall. Oh no, that could be fun. $8.99. LEI. Do you remember that brand? Cargo pant, but in the gorgeous green wide leg, which is definitely what I'm looking for. We have a fun stripe down the bottom. We have the pockets. You can't see because of this. They might be a little short, but I think they'll be cool. I just found these J. Crew capris, but they might fit that Bermuda short look that I'm trying to go with. Oh no, these might be too long. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, I just found this vintage denim blazer. Shoulder pads and all. Loving the striped cuff. $12.99.
The sky was spread open its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sing like birds that are spreading, that are spreading.
Woo, it is hot in here. My hair is wrecked. The bangs are wrecked. First trip a success. I'm gonna go grab some lunch and then I think I have time to hit one more store. I'm in the South Bay today and there's a Goodwill that I like around here. So get some lunch, get some fuel, and we'll hit another store. I don't know what happened or where where the time went, but it's now 4 o'clock. I'm meeting a friend for dinner tonight, so I have about 1 hour to go through the store and see if there's anything that I just absolutely have to have. And I'll show you everything that I love, and hopefully I find some gems to take home. Oh yes, and I'm at my other favorite spot here in the South Bay, which is Goodwill. The bangs are driving me insane. No carts. Not sure if this is a good sign or a bad sign. I went straight to the jacket section. I have found some of my all-time favorite jackets at this location. I found a couple of great leather jackets, but they were both so heavy and I had to keep that 50-pound luggage limit in the back of my mind. I also didn't want to get anything too bulky, especially since this was day one and starting off so strong. I found these great wide leg Madewell trousers for only $8. I looked up some similar styles and they go for about $118 to $138 online. So I would say score. Well done. Add to cart. I definitely am looking for more fun pants for fall. I want rich, bold colors. I want prints. I want stripes, and all just kind of staying within like the fall tones, fall seasonal tones. Okay, the cutest vintage Gap denim jacket. My 3-year-old Hudson is gonna be so cute. Into the dressing room we go. This is your quick reminder to ignore sizing, because the Madewell trouser and these navy cords were the same size, but obviously not. So ignore sizing. Your size doesn't matter, and it's all about the fit. Like the fit of this leopard jacket. I love her, and I can't wait to style her up this fall. And for only $10, 10 out of 10. It's coming home with me. First day thrifting in LA is complete. Found a couple of things. A little leopard print package here. You guys are not going to be happy with me, but I am going to save the haul until the end. I'm going to do a designated haul of everything that I found on this trip, but I will show you little teasers at the end of the episode. So first teaser is this adorable Gap denim jacket that I grabbed for Hudson. My little 3-year-old, he is going to be so cute in this. And I snagged this jersey. I got 2 jerseys today. Love this one because it's like there's not a sports team on this one, so I appreciate that, because actually my husband will really appreciate that because he is a diehard Jags fan, so he does not appreciate it when I bring home all these other NFL teams and wear their jerseys around. Obviously you saw the leopard print jacket. I think we all knew I was going to take that one home. I found quite a lot of other goodies at Savers. Are you kidding me? This navy sweatshirt, crew neck. So many gems to share with you guys. So much more thrifting content to come. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of this LA thrifting adventure. But follow me on Instagram. It's not too late if you're seeing this first episode. Follow me on Instagram. I'm giving all kinds of sneak peeks, posting on there of things that I've got, things that I'm wearing, blah, blah, blah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. I love you lots. Ta-ta. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go meet my friend for dinner. Bye.